Good morning, students. Today, see the topic of nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So already we know that the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So already we know that the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the three conditions of the natural roots of the quadratic equation. So first one, delta greater than 0. The value is real and unequal roots. Second one, delta equal to 0. The value is real and equal roots. Third one, delta less than 0. So no real roots. So what is a delta? So delta here, b square minus 4ac. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So from the quadratic equation. Okay. So first one example. Determine the natural roots of the following quadratic equation. So determine the natural roots of the following quadratic equation. Subdivision 1, x squared minus x minus 20 equal to 0. Second one and the third one. So first one solution, x squared minus x minus 20 equal to 0. So comparing with the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c. So here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 20. So what is delta? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b, the b value of minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a 1. B, c minus 20. So minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So minus into minus plus 420 is 80 is equal to totally 81. So delta is equal to 81 greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Delta greater than 0, real and unequal. Delta equal to 0, real and equal roots. Delta less than 0, no real root. So what is the delta? Delta greater than 0, so positive value. Delta here positive value, so greater than 0. So the roots are real and unequal. Subdivision 2, 9x squared minus 24x plus 16 equal to 0. So here a equal to 9, b equal to minus 24, c equal to 16. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b minus 24 the whole square minus 4 into a 9, c 16 is equal to minus 24 the whole square 576 minus 4 9s are 36, 36 into 16 minus 576. So totally 0. So delta equal to 0 here. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. Delta equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. So subdivision 3, two x square minus 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So comparing with the quadratic equation, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2, c equal to 9. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. b minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into 2c 9. So minus 2 square plus 4 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are 72. So subtraction minus 68 is the less than 0. So delta here negative value. So minus 68 less than 0. Therefore, the roots are no real. So 3 condition. The next one, next example, find the values of k. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 8k plus 4 plus 81 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Once again, find the values of k. So find the value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 8k plus 4 plus 81 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Okay. Solution. So given the quadratic equation kx square minus 8k plus 4 plus 81 equal to 0. Since the equation has real and equal roots. So from the question it has the real and equal roots. So therefore delta equal to 0. So what is the delta? B square minus 4ac. So here a equal to k. A equal to k. B equal to minus 8k plus 4 and c equal to 81. So from the equation b square minus 80k plus 4 the whole square minus 4 into k into 81 equal to 0. So a plus b the whole square format. So a plus b the whole square, a square 64 square minus 2ab plus 64k plus b square 16 minus 4 into 81 324k equal to 0. So 64k square 64k and 3 minus 324k. So subtraction minus 260k plus 16 equal to 0. So divide 4 16k square minus 65k plus 4 equal to 0. So given or quadratic equation. So from SR and PR, sum of roots and product of the roots. 16 into 4 64 minus 65. So minus 1 minus 64. So multiplying minus into minus plus 164 64 adding minus into minus plus minus 1 plus 64 minus 64. So dividing 16 divided by 16 divided by 16. So k is equal to 1 by 16. Then k is equal to 4. Dividing 4. So therefore 16k minus 1 of the value, then another one k minus 4 equal to 0. So 16k minus 1 equal to 0, k minus 4 equal to 0. So k is equal to 1 by 16 and k is equal to plus 4.